We have seen the basics of current, voltage, resistance, power, AC and DC parameters. AC current or AC voltage, DC current or DC voltage. Then we have also seen how to measure the resistance using color code method. Okay, so that means I have given you the formula. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. That means different colors represent different numbers. They are not written here. Black represents 0, brown 1, red 2, then orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, grey 8 and white 9. And this is the tolerance band. Tolerance means the manufacturer cannot manufacture the resistance having exact value of resistance. So it will be either in the positive side or in the negative side. Suppose that if I take 1 kilo ohm resistance, 1 kilo ohm means brown, black, then red. Is it not? So brown, black, red is 1 kilo ohm or 1000 ohms. Suppose that the fourth band is silver. If the fourth band is silver, the tolerance is plus or minus 10%. 10% of 1000 is 100 ohms. That means the resistance may have the value from 900 ohms to 1100 ohms. Anywhere in between this you may get the value of the resistance. This is about identifying the resistance value using color code method. Then we have also discussed 3 different experiments. First experiment is how to calculate the effective resistance when 3 resistors are connected in series using the multimeter. Okay, and then second experiment is how to calculate the effective resistance when 3 resistances are connected in parallel. Okay, so in the series the current will be same and in the parallel the voltage will be same. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬುಕ್? ಹಾಂ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಟನ್ ದಿ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಟನ್. ಹೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್? No. You have to use a proper book. Okay, so the formula for calculating the resistance is R total is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. For parallel, 1 by R total is equal to 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3. Okay, when only 2 resistance are there, the equation is R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Whereas resistances are more, you have to take the LCM and calculate. I have told you to calculate the total effective resistance of 3 resistors connected in parallel. I had given you WhatsAppallu ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. So you have to calculate that. Whether you have done it or not, I don't know. So what we will do today is how to make use of the multimeter for the measurement of the voltage, current or resistance. Let us see. Right. So this particular multimeter which you have purchased has got a knob at the center. If you see here, V they have written and some line, straight line is there. That means this represents the DC voltage. This represents the DC voltage. See, this is the off button. That means battery will be in the off position. You will not get any display. If you want to measure DC voltage, you have to take it to next left side. Okay, ranges are there: 2 volts, 20 volts, 200 volts and 600 volts. The meaning is, suppose that you have a power supply, DC regulated power supply. Using this, let us measure the voltage. So suppose I will keep it in 20 volts range. That means whatever the voltage we are getting from the DC regulated power supply, same voltage get displayed on this multimeter also. See, here also where we have to connect, one is COM. COM means common terminal. Another one is V ohm milliammeter is written, right? V means voltage, ohm means resistance measurement, milliammeter means current. Okay, whenever you want to measure that, you have to connect it here. Now our plan is to measure the voltage what is coming out of DC regulated power supply. That's why I had kept it here. Red you have to keep it here, and black you have to keep it here to the common, and here this has to be on this particular knob 20 volts. So when you fix it to 20 volts, you should not measure the value of the voltage more than 20. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು 30 ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಈ ಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you have to make sure that the value what you are measuring should be lesser than the voltage what you are applying here. That is very, very important. So now let us see. See, there is one red knob which is written positive and a black one is there which is negative. So red has to be kept here and black has to be kept here. See, here it is showing 8.2 volts and here it is showing how much? 9.6. See, whatever value we get here is not perfect, but the value what we are reading here is the perfect value. So this is the actual value of the voltage what you are reading. Let us see, let us vary the value. Fine and coarse anta eradiದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Try to understand this. There are two knobs, one is the coarse, another one is the fine. That means if you want to increase the value of the voltage in terms of volts, ಈಗ 2 volts 4 volts 6 volts ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವೇರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2.1 2.2 ಅಂದರೆ ಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೈನರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೈನ್ and major voltages can be from the course. Now I will increase it again. See, I have kept it at 10 or 11 volts, 10.9. It will not be perfect because there will be change in the input voltage to this power supply. So that's why the regulated output voltage also will be fluctuating little bit. It should not fluctuate, but little bit it will fluctuate. So same voltage you should get here. 13 volts we are getting, here it is 11 volt. That means 2 volts difference is there. This is the right voltage, okay? Because the instruments are not properly calibrated, that's why we are going to get this difference between the voltages between the DC regulated power supply display and the display of the multimeter. Okay, so in the multimeter we can measure different voltages, different currents, AC, DC, resistance, everything we can measure. That's why it's called as a multimeter. Many parameters we can measure using this, that's why it is called as multimeter. Okay, so now we will try to measure the resistance value using the multimeter. Multimeter na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು resistance na measure ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, so ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, what are the different colors? You tell me, what is your name? Ghansham. First one brown, blue, black, red, and last one is gold, no?
It's a gold.
Gold. So brown, black, red, what is the value of the resistance? I had told you in the class. Brown, black, red ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. 10. Brown is 1, black is 0, 10, and red is 2 zeros. 1 followed by total zeros ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 3 zeros. ಅಂದರೆ 1000 ohms. 1000 ohms is the value. 1000 ohm ಅಂದರೆ 1 kilo ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ, 1 kilo ohm ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ brown, black, red is 1 kilo ohm with a tolerance of 5%. Gold is having the tolerance of 5%. So that much variation either in the positive side or in the negative side you can expect. 950 to 1050. Okay na, very good. So now ಇದನ್ನು ನಾಬ್ನ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು? ಮೊದಲು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಯಾವ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್? ಇದು ಡಿ ಸಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ವೇವ್, ಇದು ಎ ಸಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜು. ಇದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ಕರೆಂಟು? ಡಿ ಸಿ ಕರೆಂಟು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಓಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಎಸ್, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇರೋದು ಓಮು. ಈಗ 2K ಇಡೋಣ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1K. 1000 ಓಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1K. ಸೊ ಇದು 2K ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 2K ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಟಚಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. What is the value it is showing? You just read it. 750 ohms. Yes or no? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. 200 K ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. It is higher value. Let us see how much it is showing. Green ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಮೆಗಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಇದು. We will take another value. ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು 10K. ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆನಾ? 10K, ಈ 20K ಗಿಡೋಣ. 10K ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ 10K. 9.93K ಅಂತಂದರೆ 10K ಅಂತ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್, ನಾಟ್ ರೆಡ್. ರೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ 1K, ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಈಸ್ 10K. Okay, so this is how you have to measure the value of the resistance.